For our alligator, I've inflated a 260, leaving about a 4.5-inch tail. We're going to start the nozzle end as always. Make about a 2.5-inch bubble. And now we're going to make sure it's a bit soft, about a 4-inch bubble. And then another 4-inch bubble. Twist those together. And then we're going to make those into 2 quick and easy fold twists by just bringing that midway point down and twisting one of them. And if you want, you can bring this leftover, wrap it around it to help secure it in place. Now you're going to make about a 3.5 to 4-inch bubble for the body, and then we're going to do that same thing again. So make another 4-inch bubble, 4-inch bubble, lock those together, and then again just bring that down, twist it together, wrap that around. Then you can take your tail, and I'll take and wrap it in between my fingers and just kind of give it a squeeze to give it that alligator sort of shape there. And you've got a quick and simple little alligator.